Hello coffee lovers, it's Monica here to introduce our products. We focus on some natural cold brew coffee maker and Nitro Keg dispensing system and some double wall vacuum growler. Today I will introduce the natural cold brew coffee maker. Okay, I will operate how to make the natural cold coffee at home. Okay, before you use the accessory, you need to clean to use the warm water. This is the 2-liter mini keg. Today we will use the coffee base to make the coffee. Mix with some cold water. One liter. Normally, for the coffee liquid, we just put about 60 to 75% of the keg, as there need to leave some space for the gas. Okay. Put the tube on the base of the coffee sprayer. The tube is the same height as the keg. Okay, this is our solid stainless steel coffee keg. For the natural coffee, we can use 8 gram N2O or 2 gram N2. This is the black shell, the host cartridge. We can hear our gas goes into the keg. Shake for some few seconds to mix the coffee and the gas mix well. Normally, we can pour the coffee 1 hour later. Let's try to pour it. You can see it cascading. The coffee is very smooth and with beautiful texture. It's better to enjoy the coffee next day, as nitrogen can infuse the coffee well. We also have other models. This is the smart tap. The function is the same as this tap. This is the stainless steel shell. For this coffee tap with the flow control, so can control the flow of the coffee. This is our new stand model. It's very smart and cost effective. Okay, here are some accessories. This is the cover. This is the first brush, can clean the faucet. This is the keg brush, can clean the coffee keg. Okay, see you next time. Bye.